Let's generate the n natural number using three control structure: while when loop, do loop, for next loop. The last session we have printed 1 to 10 and 10 to 1 using this three loop. This time we will generate the n natural number. Okay, in this case I have taken here one text box to enter the range. Okay, here in the text box, and this is my output. I have taken one label. You can see this is the label 2. I will print my label output here. Suppose I have entered here range is 50. Here it will print 1 to 50. Last time I printed on the form. So let's print it on the form also. Let's print it on the label also. So let's go to the while when loop code. So if I'm clicking, I'm going to the command 1. You can see this is the code for printing 1 to 10. How to convert it into 1 to n. So how to do? You declare one variable n as integer. Okay, and you store the value of your text box. You convert into value from text box 1 .ext. You store in n, and this is I initialize I to 1, same code. Then the condition I less than 10, instead of 10 here range you specify n. Okay, and suppose n is 50, so it will go up to 50. It will go up to 50. Okay, so here, so let's see now this much code only. So now I'm executing. Okay, suppose I have printed 50. Okay, so using while loop, so it is printing on the where, printing on the form, but it is not printing on the label. How to do? So let's go, and here you go inside the while loop, and then you type label 2. Label 2 is my output now. Label 2 dot caption equal to label 2 dot caption caption. Okay, then you have to plus, you give some space, because between two space you give between two number, you are giving now between 1 2 2 3 4 5, you are giving the space. Don't use plus here, you have to use ampersand. So give here give here space. Okay, then use ampersand, then concatenate I. So 1 2 2 3 4 5, like that, between two number it will come space. So it has to be concatenated to the label 2 only every time. So let's do this code. Let's do this program. I'm entering the range is suppose 50 using while when loop. This is working. I'm entering the range 95 or 98. So again it is generating. So I want to clear it. How I can clear? If I'm clearing the form, okay, you can see it's clearing form also, it is clearing the label also. I can see how it is done. Okay, so I can go for the loop, I can go for the clear form. You can see for clearing the form I have used form 13.cls to clear the form. For clearing the label I have used label2.caption equal to blank. Okay, so let's now do the same code using do loop also, using for next loop also. Let's do generate using do loop. Double click on it. This is your command 2. I can go here. This is your command 2. Where it is? This is okay. So that command 2. This is your command 3 button. Command 3 button. Command 2. This is your command 2. Now you can see this is the do loop. Okay, here same thing. I declare one variable. I store the value of text 1 in n. And in this case, here also I given the level 2 dot caption equal level 2 dot caption concatenation blank, then concatenating I. Then here I have to change the range. Okay. Okay. Next, again, I can go for a for next loop. So I can go for next loop. That is a command 3. Okay, you can see same thing. I have declared one variable. I have declared 2 times. So declare only 1 time. Okay, declare only 1 time only. Okay, and as integer. Okay, after that store the value of text box here. Done. Okay, here that label to this statement is there inside the for loop. Here starting index is I and the last index will be your n, and the step has to be incremented by 1, I equal to I plus 1. This is the syntax for your for next loop. This is your program for your Do loop, this is for your for next loop. I'm executing now. Let's see how it executed. Suppose the range is 67. Do loop now is working. I can clear. For next loop, okay, some mistake is there. What is that? Spelling mistake is there, you can see. Okay, integer. Okay, then execute again. 67 suppose for next fine. Okay, this is a program for generating and natural number. Okay, thank you for watching.